Hey, what's up everyone? Ethan Ader here with Horizon Hobby. Now I am packing and gearing up for Jonall 2023 and I'm super excited. I'm definitely going to bring my E-Flite Eratix with me. Now I figured I might as well make a quick little repair / reinforcement tip for those of you who have the E-Flite Eratix or any 3D Foamy for that matter. And all you need is foam tack or any foam to foam glue, some Blenderm tape, this is also known as hinge tape, and some scissors that we will be using to cut the hinge tape. Now, if you're like me and you get into shenanigans such as this, or this, then you will find that sometimes the hinges at the control surface will sometimes tear like so, or even up here. This one's a little bit worse. So I'm gonna show you a quick tip on how to repair that. So the first step you wanna do in repairing your control surface hinge is essentially getting your foam to foam glue, and we can add a little bit along the crack like so. Doesn't have to be a whole lot. This stuff's super flexible, usually keeps a super strong bond. So I'm just gonna run it along like so. And what I like to do is I like to separate it as much as I can, kind of let it tack up a little bit, and then slowly push it back into place like so. You can even run your finger along. This stuff comes off skin super easy. It's not like CA or anything like that. You want to make sure you're using this glue since it's super flexible, which you're going to need since the hinges move a lot and they pivot a lot. The second step is going to be to take a piece of Blenderm or hinge tape. You're basically going to get a piece around like that. Now we can go ahead, we'll cut off that piece like so. Now here is your piece of Blenderm tape. We can take some of that foam tack or foam to foam glue. We'll go ahead, we'll put a decent amount on there. I usually like to kind of evenly spread it across the entire surface of the Blenderm tape. Make sure it's on the sticky side as well. And all you're gonna do is take that Blenderm tape, you're gonna put it right there along the corner. Just like that, you'll see it soak in. It's extremely hard to notice. You won't notice it at all whenever you're in flight. You'll see it's almost becomes invisible on the surface, but this really helps whenever you're dragging a surface or in crashes. It helps keep that hinge from essentially splitting in the foam. But essentially that's it, guys. Now basically you're going to want to redo this process along the rudder and the ailerons, basically any hinge that you would like to reinforce, and that's essentially it for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.